Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd really love that. If you're returning, how are you today? First, before I get into the video, I want to share some happy news with all of you. You all know that my son, Andrew, is now in boot camp. He is no longer in quarantine. We got a letter. I am so excited. I will read it to you real quick. This is the most exciting thing. Yeah. It says, "Hey mom and dad, I finally made it to boot camp. It was difficult with no phone." Laugh out loud, but I made it through quarantine and I couldn't be happier. I love and miss you guys so much. I cannot wait to come home and give you guys hugs. This is definitely the most difficult thing I have ever been through. Thank you guys for believing in me and making me push through my walls. I love you guys so much and I'll see you soon. So I know you guys have been asking for updates on Andrew. So here you go. And once we hear from him again, or we receive more letters, or whatever the case may be, I will let you guys know, okay? So, in today's video, I want to talk about what's going on now. Apparently, more travel restrictions, especially with Florida. I'm guessing it's because we are literally one of the biggest tourist attractions, right? Disney and stuff like that. So our governor is saying absolutely not 100%, we're going to push back, right? Okay, so whether this is talking about, flights coming in and out, or driving here, what are they going to do? Start putting up barricades again and checkpoints and saying, oh, we have to take your temperature, before you can even drive into the state? I don't know. What could they possibly do? But our governor, he's going to push back. Okay. And I'm going to insert a clip to show you exactly what he's going to say, and I'll put that in right now so you can know what I'm talking about, okay?
To restrict or lock down Florida by the federal government would be an attack on our state, done purely for political purposes. Now, we've had to stand by Floridians over these many, many months, even in difficult circumstances, even when it was not easy to do. We've saved their jobs time and time again. We've preserved small businesses time and time again, and we preserve the right of parents to send their children to school in person. You look around the country, a lot of kids haven't been in school since March of 2020. It's an absolute disgrace. We led very early on that, and we're much better for it. So we've had to stand by Floridians throughout, time and again, and we will do so going forward. We will not back down, and if anyone tries to harm Floridians or target us, we will respond very swiftly.
And then our Senator, Marco Rubio, he even said, because he wrote to Biden, and he even said that such travel restrictions would be an outrageous authoritarian move that has no basis on law or science. He said, instead, it would only serve to inflict severe and devastating economic pain on an already damaged economy. He also said, if you are concerned about the coronavirus spread in Florida, I urge you to fact-track additional vaccines to the state instead of attempting to cripple our economy. Now, if this is, our senator and our governor, and they're even saying, come on now, man, this is not the way to go. Do you think that our president would listen to our senators and our governors, to try and restrict travel again? Jeez, I just don't think that this is the way to go. I really don't, I don't know. What do you guys think? I mean, I'm being serious. What do you guys think? Because, like, what's our next big thing down here would be spring break. Like, you know, all the people that come down here, they were just throwing pitching a fit, really, like when the Buccaneers won, and all the people were like in the streets, so they say, because they were celebrating because the Buccaneers won the Super Bowl. And they said, oh, it's a super spreader and blah 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 blah. There's going to be a super spreader regardless. You know, any outdoor event or activity is going to be a super spreader. Just like there was something, I can't remember where I saw it. I think Sean showed it to me. And they said, you know, like when you're in the airport, right? And you have to stay 6 feet apart while in the airport with masks and everything. But yet they pile you onto an airplane and you're like this on an airplane, sitting side by side by side. If that's not a super spreader, then what is? Right? But yet you're going to enforce 6 feet apart in masks in an airport, but then put you in like sardines into an airplane. So nothing's making any sense. You can't, you know. Well, they'll say, oh, well, you can't sit in the middle seat. But even still, those seats are not 6 feet apart still. They're what? Maybe a foot apart? It's contradictions, you know? It's like being, what's the word? Hypocritical. I don't know. But putting travel restrictions on people, once again, it's not very smart, in my opinion. It's really not. It's not really smart. But this is just a short video. I just wanted to share with you our happy news about hearing from Andrew and letting you know, once again, they're going to try and force travel restrictions on the state of Florida. But let me know if you've heard from your local officials, if they're going to be putting travel restrictions in your states as well, because it's happening in Florida. But I don't know if it's because like we're literally tourist attraction here, you know. It doesn't seem to really matter, like if it's just Orlando. Tampa's also a tourist attraction, you know. Miami's a tourist attraction. Hi, baby cat. But really all of Florida is a tourist attraction. So, you know, in your area, in your state where you live, do you have a tourist attraction in your state? You know, so let me know in the comment section. Are they putting travel restrictions in your state now too? All right. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe. Stay positive. Keep prepping. Fear less. Bye.